Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the bumpers on your Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. Start by removing the thumbsticks and the D-pad. After that, take a thin knife or a similar tool and slide it gently under the edge where the D-pad was. Angle the knife downward and press in carefully. Once it slides in, slowly twist the knife as you move around the front shell of the controller. You will hear the clips releasing as you go. It may feel like something is breaking, but the clips are just snapping open. When you've worked your way around the whole controller, pull the front shell off. It might resist a bit because of the adhesive, so give it a steady pull. Inside, you will see two small white buttons. These are what the bumpers press against. There is a tiny plastic piece behind the bumper you want to fix. Use tweezers to lift that piece out. Take some high percentage alcohol, around 97% or more, and add a little to the bumper area. Press the bumper repeatedly while the alcohol evaporates. This helps clear any buildup that stops the bumper from working smoothly. You can leave the plastic piece out if you want. Once that is done, put the front shell back on and press around the edges until it snaps into place. Attach the D-pad and thumbsticks again, and your controller should be ready to use. Thanks for watching.